Jungle.
Back with the 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this time it's throwing the error code P0441, evaporative emission system incorrect purge flow. I already placed the damaged evap hose at the throttle body, so I'll be showing you how to replace the canister purge valve tonight. Now the canister purge valve serves as part of the emission control system and measures the flow and amount of fuel vapor that is recycled into the combustion process via the charcoal canister or fuel vapor storage device. When this goes bad, it's usually because it's stuck in the open or closed position. Other common codes related to purge valve failure include P0440, P0442, P0443, P0444, P0445, and P0456. The most common reason for the aforementioned codes and check engine light is a faulty gas cap, so that should be the first thing you check. Make sure it's tight. You want to begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable, and the purge valve is located along the driver's side fender. But it's also important to note your canister purge valve being stuck in the open position can create a vacuum leak that negatively affects your engine. So the unmetered air can change a vehicle's air to fuel ratio, and this causes rough idling as well as difficulty starting. It's also not necessary to remove the air box, but I'll be removing the top half so you all can get a better look at what I'm doing. So in my case, I'm using a small blade to cut the zip ties from the hoses so I can pull them out. To remove the wiring harness, just lift up on the tab and pull outward. Slide the sensor from its mount located on the back, then just pull out each of the hoses. Then pull the rubber line connector from the sensor. You want to keep this part because the new part does not come with this. I got the replacement purge valve from Advanced Auto Parts, part number CP511. Before installing, you want to compare the old part to the new part to make sure they are identical and everything is as it should be. Then transfer the rubber line connector to the new part, reconnect the wiring harness in both lines. The line on the top comes from the charcoal canister located behind the front bumper. The line on the bottom is going to your throttle body. Make sure you do not get these mixed up. Push the new sensor over the mount bracket, check all connections to make sure they're solid, then reattach your air box and all of its associated clips, then reconnect your battery. Since the battery was disconnected, the check engine light has been cleared. A monitor is a test run by the vehicle's computer on components and subsystems to see if they are working properly, and it can take up to a week of normal driving to get rid of the not ready monitor status. So until next time, y'all stay tuned.
Come on. Soldiers ain't built like this no more. Yeah, your guns kill.